don't chase no mice, don't scratch no post. But fire up that screen and he's locked in close. From nature shows to Sunday games, Oscar's sitting proud like he's claiming fame. Her cat's got a remote control soul, eyes on the screen like he's playing a role. Cartoons, cowboys, even late night news. He's got that 1,000-yard Netflix view. Yeah, she's just background noise when the screen's aglow. Oscar's got a heart that's HBO. She calls him Oscar, but when he gets frisky, he answers to the name Skizzy Wizzy. He won't budge for toys or a feather stick, but say movie time and he comes real quick. Oh, her cat's got a remote control soul, with his tail twitching in total control. From cooking shows to cowboy flicks, he's learning life from those screen side tricks. Yeah, she's just background noise when the screen's aglow. That TV junkie with the tabby flow. He swats the screen when a critter runs by, whiskers flaring like the 4th of July. But when the credits roll and the lights go dim, he curls in her lap, it's all about them. Oh, her cat's got a remote control soul, but at the end of the night he'll make her whole. Behind that star-glazed pixel stare is Oscar, her buddy with the orange hair. Yeah, he loves the screen, but he loves her more. That's Skizzy Wizzy on the living room floor. So if you see a cat watching like a king, that's Oscar the tabby doing his thing, with one paw on pause and the other on scroll. Her cat's got a remote control soul.